really break through this. Because the world has seen me now. Them used to say, oh, I be a chopper and play for. No, what them must say. You don't know where Banka come with. Means like the dice, unpredictable. I selected by the name of Little Shabba. I'm a idol, I'm a general. Yeah. People know me rate the vendetta boss, but it's not like never come a party and never play. Be Alkaline. When we want the artists them for the know, I just release some only for girl song now, because from with the girl them with that ball. In the winning team, you don't know who are the man. The three away I win.
How are you and Boom Boom?
Me not go sugarcoat nothing.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a special guest live in the studio. Listen, this is one of the hottest selectors from off the ground. We're full of argument. You know we have in the building today? We have DJ BANKA in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
You know, my day, you know, I think, you know, there, man. I full of respect, man. It's a pleasure to be here, you know?
You understand. Welcome back to Toronto because you don't seem to be a stranger to the city anymore.
No, you know. I came here numerous times, you know? Mm-hmm. But you don't know your work speak for itself, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So, you know, for your talented and you can do a thing, you know, people are going to curse you.
How many times have you been in this city so far?
A lot of time, you know. A lot of time. I think this is my fifth work permit for Canada.
That's why I said you're no stranger to the city, right?
No stranger at all.
You know what I mean? On this podcast, we like to take it right from the beginning, then bring it right up to 2024. All right? Problem. What part of Jamaica were you born and you grew up in?
I was born in Kingston, Jamaica, you know, KPH Hospital. Yeah. Grew up in Kingston 20, Dynamq, you know what I mean? And that's it.
Yeah. What was Dynamq like those times growing up in Dynamq?
Well, Dynamq is a community where a lot of activities, you know what I mean? You know, a lot of stage shows, a lot of events, you know what I mean? So, Dynamq is just a place where you want for there. Once you're Jamaica, you have to visit Kingston 20, Brook Valley, Sherlock, the New Haven. Yeah. And just the party central in Kingston, Jamaica.
That's where everything is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what was DJ BANKA like a kid growing up in Dynamq them time?
Well, from ever since I'm a jovial youth, you know what I mean? Always I run my little joke. And, that. You know, once you're around, you gotta enjoy my company because I'm a youth where always I run my little joke. And I just a jovial youth. And, you know, before the music, I was a dancer.
You were a dancer?
You know what I mean? So, you know, we used to teeth out and go dance at night time and try screeching back before mama wake up, you know what I mean? So from there, so the love for the music start develop, you know what I mean? Because I was a dancer before I became an entertainer.
Yeah. Back then, and then even growing up, what did you think you were going to get into? Did you want to be a lawyer, doctor, a pilot, a mechanic? What did you want to become growing up?
Honestly to God, growing up, I just tell myself, I just want to be entertainment. Mm-hmm. Music, I like me everything. Me like have my TV and me not turn it on for months. Mm-hmm. I just music, ever listen to music. And as I say, I was a dancer before, you know. Once you hear music, you can dance. So it's like music and dance, like they merge.
Together, music of course, they go together, you know what I mean? What got you into dancing?
Basically, you know, you have a lot of dancer in my community. And you know, children live by what they learn. You grow up and see couple dance group, you know, you've developed the love for the dancing, and then growing older and older, I get for like the music even more. And I tell myself, say, all right, then, you know, say, this I go fit me, this fit me more. Because you have a selector by the name of Little Shabba. I'm a idol. Yeah. I'm a general. Yeah. I'm a god in the music.
Notorious.
So, growing up listening to Little Shabba, I always tell myself, say, yo, you so Shabba respected, the people them just respect him. I love them more and people have for me. You know what I mean? Say him is like my mentor. Him is like he motivate me, him a motivator. Yo, Shabba, just pick up yourself, yeah. Cause if it wasn't for you, maybe you wouldn't be a DJ BANKA up to today.
It was actually seeing him playing the sound that made you want to get into sound
man,
business?
and to how him play the sound sometime and to how I see him have the people him enjoy themselves. Me I say, yo, I want to be that type of person that way can entertain people, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right across the board.
So then what was the transition like from dancer to now selector MC? How did that happen?
Basically, as me say, you know, dancing and music married and merge. You know what I mean? So it's like when I'm looking at it on a bigger picture, I was saying to myself, well, a few dancers out there, I say, really make it out and can help them family, you know what I mean? More money in the music. So I tell myself, say, all right then, I want to take the music to a different level and can help feed my family. And same as how me I pray, at the same way it end up, it's like the breadwinner for my family right now.
Yeah.
So at the music basically make me a tour the world. Dancing never really pushed me that far. I really the music make me a tour the world. The music can make me a live the type of life for me I live now. The music can make me can feed my family, you know what I mean? So me just think more money in the music than the dancing.
For sure.
And me love the music more than the dancing after a while. So I just do what I love.
So then how did you start to play? Did you build your own sound? Did you join a song? How did you get into sound business going from a dancer to now a selector MC?
As me say, Kingston 20 doing the Park, Brook Valley, is like the party central. You have a lot of sound system in the community, you know what I mean? And me have to big up New Kids. New Kids is an artist. New Kids said to me one day, you know, I'm going to put you in a one clash because I see how do the selecting, I have a whole heap of argument. I put you in a one clash. And when he send me the schedule with the sound system them in the clash, I said to him, say, but kids, me can't clash them big sound, yeah. Because, you know, me just a build a name and me more than two dub, but me I see some big sound in our group like Alaskan, Travelers, and so I say, me can't manage this time. I say, all right, Banka, here what? Remember which part you live, you have a sound system and the same apartment, you know, but it's like the owner for the sound, they just sell out the sound. You know what I mean? They just sell out the sound. So you find out, say, the dub did always there, but there was no sound system. Same I say, why you don't represent for the sound?
Yeah.
Like how them don't have them only per dub there already, you know what I mean? I say, you know, that is a good idea. Yeah. And first time I ever going on clash. Yeah. Big up boom clash. And I end up reach final.
Finals?
Yeah, man, me kill a whole heap of sound in the same group.
Yeah.
Sound were there for years. So what me do now, I just tell myself, say, all right, then I can start represent for that sound here from then until now. I represent for Della Soul.
Della.
Until me become the man on the sound. We end up build back a sound, have our own sound system now, and we just take it to a different level.
What year did you join the song?
Approximately about 12 years now, you know.
And
but as I said, Della Soul is like about 35 years old because as I said, the sound system was there before, but you know, after a while, it's like man not in love with the music again, so you know, them end up sell out the sound and they dub them dead, so I just say, you know what, I just pick it up. So from me, pick it up in and a history.
Because a lot of people seen that you got your break within the last 2 to 3 years. But if you really look back, if you look back, you'd see that Bass, you've been in the cut a long time.
Yeah, because all right, even the other day, Ramesh was reasoning with Shukkle boss. I was saying that to Shukkle. Say, Shukkle, about 4 different time Banka boss, you know. He must say, yo, remember Banka boss from BBM days, from BlackBerry, from before WhatsApp. We've been a do it, you know what I mean? And we get another breakthrough when we used to part Alkaline.
We're soon, hold on. We're soon ready for that. We're not ready for that yet. You know? We're going to get there just now.
We get another breakthrough this and then. But me, I think the pandemic, the whole corona, the whole pandemic, gave me the biggest breakthrough. You know what I mean? But we've been a do it before. But the breakthrough, the biggest breakthrough. Because
from you?
Why I say that breakthrough, the biggest breakthrough, if I know, say, the foreign dates, them are coming in hard. the visa them are coming hard. We are travel the world now. Because remember them time they were just a travel like the Caribbean island. Now we are go England, we are go Canada, we are go America. So it's like the breakthrough, I mean, that's the biggest breakthrough.
Yeah. Because I've been seeing you wrong from you had your little mohawk till you had your frohawk. Long time. Been seeing you wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because the image have to change. You know what I mean? Because the more you grow, you know, you have to change up the image. You can't really stuck in a one image, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
So you say your first clash experience to the big stage was Boom Clash.
Yeah, man, Boom Clash.
You came down to the finals.
Yeah, man, we came up, I reached to the final, but what happened that me and Mix Up Shaka went to the final, and basically Shaka born and grew in Toil, which is Kingston 11. Me born and grew in Kingston 20. The clash was keeping in Kingston 11. You know what I mean? So, you know how that go. You know, a clash I keep in a man backyard, it's hard for banka.
For sure.
So, that's a nitty-gritty. You know? I really and truly I feel like me doing the clash, but, you know, politics. Politics.
You have to, that's how you're going to learn.
He himself said, I said, boy, banka bigger than me. But it was a night to remember.
Yeah.
That's one of my most memorable moment.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? In my whole career. Boom Clash.
Yeah.
Because after Boom Clash, we've been to a couple more clash. Guinness Sounds of Greatness. End up winning Guinness Sounds of Greatness 1 year too.
So how long was that after the Boom, between the Boom and the Guinness Sounds of Greatness?
Couple of years apart. Because
so you were more experienced at this time.
Yeah, more experienced. And you know what I mean?
So before we get to Guinness Sounds of Greatness, your name, Banka, DJ Banka. How did you get your name?
All right, basically, you know, to be honest, when I got to school, just reaching a first farm, you know, as I say, I come out of a poor family, poor background. So, my mother couldn't afford the real clocks. So, you know, when your mother bill a shoes gear, and you got to school, and someone say, yo, brother, what that? So, you know what I mean? It was a bank robber, but one of them knock-off bank robber there. You know what I mean? So someone say, yo, I first I see this. I mean, I tell them, say, you know, so my family them live in England, they may not come out yet. It's a pre-release. You get where I come from? So you find out, say, I go to school and I want to knock off bank robber, so them start calling me bank robber. So when I leave school now, I tell myself, say, I can't have that bank robber that stuck on me. The name, I can't have the name that stuck on me, so I just shorten it and say banka. So the banka come off of the bank robber because them just call me bank robber because of the imitation shoes.
Did they really think they were pre-release shoes?
No, you know, honestly, no. You know, if I pre-release shoes, we are going to see it on the net.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say, yo, but really and truly, my mother know a man who is a shoemaker. And you know, when a shoemaker build a shoes for you, know, they can serve it for the whole 5 years.
100%.
You know what I mean? And I want to tell you, say, the first year, when him goes to boom and make the shoes, you know, the second year, my mother said, here what, the shoes that I mash up yet, you know, she can just make him change the
fix up.
I never want to say bottom, because you know it go. Why? So you find out, say, the third year, you know, I tell myself, say, yo, I'm not going to third farm with this, you know.
Yeah.
So I start saving my money. So till I buy a real bank robber now, a real clocks. And from that day until now, means I love a clocks. If you, as I can see a clock step on my foot, that's alone clocks me wear. I have clocks in like everything. Bank robber, desert, spirit, wallaby, L-stitch. Me have over 100 pair of clocks right now.
But right now, you know, Clarks are giving out endorsements, so
yeah,
you know,
Popcorn just sign a little deal with Popcorn, big up yourself to Poppy and where it go.
So you know it's possible.
As a Jamaican way, you know, yeah, take it to a different level. I feel big up Popcorn on that and big up Clarks on that.
For sure. Did the Boom Clash and stuff. So then what was your journey like between Boom and Guinness Sounds of Greatness? What were you doing in between that phase there?
Still I do the music, still I put in the work. You know what I mean? Still I put in the work. But as I say, Banka was just a selector way. But when I listen to Banka, you can say, yo, that you have a whole heap of argument. Because as I say, I live in one community where, you know, I always amongst the girl, them are more, and we hear them say certain things, and we say, yo, that sound bad. I can put it in our intro. You know what I mean? So, me just a youth where believe say, because who me learn the music from, Little Shabba, full of argument.
Yeah.
Shabba full of argument and creativity. Me see Shabba do some things in a dance way. And if you want to be the best, you have to learn from the best.
100%.
And Shabba one of the greatest selector on earth. Little Shabba, notorious son. Little Shabba, bad girl marry. Yo, I'm a general in the music.
I actually seen a video with you and him juggling in some dances, and this was like
me, I tell you
5, 6, 7 years ago.
I tell you what happened now. All right. Whenever somebody want to book Little Shabba, them used to link me because me and him, as I said, through me respect him and me look up to him, me and him par. So, you know, a man want to book a selector and him not have a direct link to him. Him always try to find somebody who will link with him. So, people used to link me whenever they want to book Little Shabba. You know what I mean? So it's like Little Shabba end up going to Japan now. You know him wife?
Yeah.
Bad girl married. She Japan, she born and grew. So Shabba they end up going to Japan, going to do some promotion aside the world. So when Shabba left and gone home, I tell myself, say, yo, this me I do, you know. So I start, you know?
Yeah.
Start fool around it. I have a friend by the name of Kenny, and me and him used to go IAE. Him have a little laptop, and you know, me I say, all right then, you know, this IAE is a private institute. Them always keep them little social and them little fet and them little, you know. So it's like one. It's like the selector where them book never turn up, and Kenyan said to him, said to one of the, I remember if one of the teacher or whosoever, I put on the thing, say, me have my laptop in and I say, yo, make your MC, you know.
Yeah.
And it's like, we just go out there and say, yo, we are entertain the people them, and me I tell you, say, the vibe, them never miss. The selector them will never get for foul.
And this was just from linking with Shabba and watching what he was doing.
Shabba, we just, my idolize Shabba, so I mean, we use all some of him argument them, you know what I mean? And from this, so it's like, Shabba come back now, and here's a Banka turn selector. And I said, Banka turn selector.
Yeah.
So Shabba said, here what? I'm going to go and dance, go listen to me. But him now going to make me see him. So it's like, Shabba, screeching I dance now. And I listen to me. And then when the dance done, I see him, I say, yo, you there in a place in the back of Jamaica? The man I say, youth, you're bad in a youth. Remember now, you know, my God, when I look up to in a music, you know, tell me, say me bad, you know.
Yeah.
So when me hear Little Shabba tell me, say me bad, me I say, yo, I eat this. There's no turning back. Them time, I start take it to a different level now. Me start take it to the professional level. Me I tell myself, all right then, a music. A music. I start tell myself, say a music. So till it reach a stage where people are book me and I book Little Shabba on the same party. So them time they know him, we test me, push me, test my skill. And me just all shoot at me and I dance. And I say, yo, defend yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Musically.
Of course.
I say, yo, defend yourself. So you find out, say, when them thing that happen now and me defend myself on stage now, on spot, he must say, yo, you ready? You're ready for the world. You know what I mean? So, I still have to say big up Little Shabba because he's one of the first selector who believe, you know what I mean? I mean, I have to big up New Kids and Arthur because of them put me in the clash. Because the clash, they give me a whole heap of highlight.
Definitely. So you're juggling stuff, and then now Guiness Sounds of Greatness comes up. How did you get involved with that there now?
All right. Remember now, you know, them know me capable of now, you know. Them know say Banka is a youth that can juggle. Banka is a youth if it come to clash, him can clash. You know what I mean? So, them say, all right, here what I know. Pandemic just done. Them say, yo, the two youth, them were hot in a pandemic. Them I got put for go against them one another, which is Shukkle Bus. You know Shukkle Bus, I'm a friend.
Of course.
Shukkle Bus is not that type of selector. Shukkle Bus are just the man where juggle for the girl, the man go on with himself. So me did more experience, you know what I mean? So them I say, here what I know, them two youth, the hottest thing since pandemic, you know. People are going to see this. Which some people are say, yo, this is not a real clash because them two man, they are friend.
Yeah.
It don't make sense to not put them for clash because they're my friend. Me link Shukkle, me I say Shukkle. Me are a friend. At the end of the day, at the sports, I must say, yo, Banka. More I experience it too, you know. Although me is not a clash selector, more I experience. So, how them do it that year, then they just put two veteran, which is, who them did put to go up against them one another? Them did put, Pink Panther?
Yeah.
I remember. Them they put two veteran selector against 2 of the young youth them know where I do it. So me and Shukkle boss did end up clash. You know what I mean? And it end up win the clash. So from that now, them say, alright, then the youth I really can do it. So till them put me up now in the Bass Odyssey Sound Fest.
Yes.
Them put me in the Bass Odyssey Sound Fest now where you find out say I be a giant. When I say be a giant there. So when I see myself on a stage with so much bad selector, Bass Odyssey, Swash, you name it. I say, yo, but them trick me. All them trick me.
I need to hear about this because this was the one with you and Dynamq.
With Dynamq.
Okay, talk to me about this one.
Hear how them trick me now. Them look for me and them tell me, say, here what? It's not a clash. It's a sound fest. You just go exercise your dub them. You know what I mean? Right? It's like the show I go on and the show never really reaching at the prime in at the heat. So it's like Dynamq did for juggle before me. And the promoter look at me and say, yo, Banka, you have to go in now, because why you wake up the place. You know what I mean? No, you wake up the place. Go in and introduce myself to the crowd. I mean, I make them know, say, here, it's a different side of DJ BANKA this tonight, because I'm not playing no 45. This is the time now where people know what BANKA got capable of as a clash selector. So I tell myself, I'm going to play 45 minutes with a dub plate. So I just play. So I start playing some dub plate when I normally play. Because, we get the time now if we can do it.
Exercise the song.
Some of the dub them I can't really play them in a like party. Because of the type of party.
Because you said the song is a really old song, so it has some real old dubs.
Long time dub. So we play 45 minutes with a dub plate. Wake up the place, mash up the place. So, because that's how them did one. And they must say, all right, then, BANKA, yeah, the selector will come from town. And then the Sound Fest did I keep in a Kingston, that's Savannah Park. So them say, all right, then, it's like a yard there.
Yeah.
Go on in, go wake up the place. So I'm going on some bad dub plate and don't play. And by the time I come off of the stage, them say, Dynamq I got juggle now. So when I hear Dynamq come on the stage, I only hear him say, Bass Odyssey, when you come out of this.
Yeah.
He might call out some sound name and say, when you come out of this, and the boy, BANKA I come here for. So when I hear him say that, I say, and the boy, BANKA him come here for. This look personal. Get me? And then the man just start talking a bag of things. But me, as a bad selector, friend, a man say something bad about me, I go and defend myself.
You're ready.
So I run up on the stage, because when I tell him, I say, yo, no send him up on the stage. Run up on the stage now, but he might use mind game because him experience. Him know what to do for draw you out. So he might try to get the crowd for the on film side now. So him run up on the stage, remember after him I call me and I say, send him out. I'm going to run up on the stage and ready for war musically, You know what I mean? He say, see the people, him feel like him can come along and run, come up with them friend them. That's why I say, juggling and clash, two different something.
Completely different.
You have to have style, you have to have strategy. You have to just know what you do.
It's a different craft.
One funny move you make.
Yeah, man.
One funny move you make and the people them just against you. You know what I mean? He whisper something disrespectful to me. Him run a certain joke with me where he did out about and I did say something on the mic what I shouldn't say. So it's like when I say that to people, I say, yo, a war BANKA come for war, and a clash him come for clash. They get where I come from, which I choose not to say it. You know what I mean? But when they say about me, I really feel a way. And I did just react the wrong way.
So he said it to you personally,
yeah,
but you said it to him on the mic.
On the microphone. You get where I
so
come
you
from?
look like you were the aggressor.
Yeah. So this, he must say, people see that? You see? And then that, though, was just like a downfall, which is a learning process. And even when the clash done, him jam one side, him say, you are rough, But I just experienced beat it tonight. I must say, yo, big up yourself. I mean, I say, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right.
No, because that one there, I can't lie to you. Dynamq fixed your business in that one there, boss.
I can't tell you this. We can't tell you. I've been through a lot of clash. I think I only lose like 3 clash. But you see the clash with Dynamq, I tell you the truth. The way I feel, I tell you how I feel, like 3 days after I get nominated for Selector of the Year, and I never turn up at the show. That's how I feel from the clash. And I me end up doing Selector of the Year. And that for sure, you. Because you see, when you clash and you win, I'm feeling in man. But it's when you get leather belt across your back, you shame like dog. And that's why I say you're Dynamq. Now for big him up.
Yeah.
You get where I come from?
Definitely.
And it's not like I want to look at idiot selector or bad selector. Because my mama killed the biggest set of sound them in the world. Him go up on the biggest set of sound clash them. And then if you see a youth like me, we just forward on the scene, can go up against him, is a plus for me. You know what I mean?
For sure.
But at the same time, it's a learning process too. Because the moment you can grace a stage with Bass Odyssey, swash them big sound there, and you can up on the same show, is a plus for you like me will just get my breakthrough the real way. Because me tell you, say, this me that say the real breakthrough. It's like the rest of the time, them name they just mention are the real breakthrough this. Because the world has seen me now.
Now they're really getting you. Want to talk about your first breakthrough, which was the link with you, Frass, and Alkaline. How did you link?
No,
that's not the first one?
No,
what would be the first one?
BBM, Blackberry. Remember Blackberry used to have a group, so them that call me BBM selector. It's like me get a breakthrough in a Daleko.
Yeah.
Because remember Blackberry now is like Blackberry is like a set of people by themselves. So me I run this up. Them time the Blackberry hot. That before WhatsApp.
Of course, your BBM pin and all that.
BBM,
of course,
so yes, bro. Them used to call me BBM selector. So me get a breakthrough from this, and then they hear them start calling me Vendetta selector.
Okay, so then tell me how the link with Frass and Alkaline came together in the first place.
All right. Me and Frass used to go to school. Edith Dalton James. Me know Frass before him name Frass. You know what I mean? Because I'm a friend from me I got to school. Andre. And when Frass leave school, Frass was a selector. Where I make him mixtape, them and I sell him CD, them and thing. Them time them a dancer. So it's like Frass end up divert to the producing world now because then we used to part the artists, them and thing. So him divert to the producing world and it work. So till him turn this big producer. So when me just start coming at the selector world now, Frass said to me, say, yo, Banka the youth,
yeah.
Alkaline. I'm going to come run the place. My artist. Want do some work with him. So, end of the day, Frass are my friend. And my friend I tell me, say, I'm an artist. Automatically, I can just put in some work. You know what I mean? So, I come end up meet Alkaline. Meeting Alkaline, it put my career to a different level because I remember knowing 3/4 of Jamaica, say Gaza, you know.
Yeah.
So, if a selector come out bluntly and say, yo, Vendetta, you know, a whole heap of backlash, a whole heap of fight.
But your back has to be broad to actually take on a fight like that, and you really have to be brave to take on that fight.
I have to be brave, but at the end of the day, me just believe, say, yo, who give me strength, me I give back strength. You know what I mean? Because I remember them time, them not travel. I remember Alkaline first put me up on a plane.
It was Alkaline?
Yeah, I got Trinidad. I first put me up on a plane. And I want to tell you, say, the same day, when I got Trinidad, at the same day, I normally keep my year-to-year party. I end up cancel my party because I say, yo, I ever get to youth dream, to go up on a plane, feel how it feels, to experience that. And so, I'm the first man, I end up fly. So at the end of the day, I just say, then I show them my loyalty. So you get where I come from? So, no strength him give me to, because even at the after all video, I say me are the main acting at the after all video. Remember me play the main role in the after all video, me end up take the gun from him in time.
Yeah.
Police them pull you over in the music video. So whole heap of highlight. Me get a whole heap of strength him give me. So I just say that give him back that strength there.
So you were around in the MVP time also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You were traveling with MVP, or that was more, you were just linking when he was coming back to Jamaica?
All right. Them time there, honestly, when I got Trinidad with him, I really, they said really start when we can say, all right, then, yeah. But, remember, Alkaline, got live foreign. You know what I mean? And me end up there at Jamaica, said we are doing my thing. So, it never stretched to no further. You never gonna further from this. So. You get where I come from, because him end up live foreign, and me end up there at Jamaica, me I do my thing same way. Him a do film thing, and me I do my thing said way. You get where I come from. But, as me say, Frass, I'm a general, Frass, I'm a G. Me and Frass link right through. Get where I come from? Yeah,
So
man.
two people that were really instrumental so far is Little Shabba and DJ Frass.
DJ Frass.
Those are the two most instrumental people in
Now, if it's a new
your career.
kids.
New Kids too,
Because a new
for putting you
kids put me
in the
a
boom.
clash.
Yep.
In a boom clash at Arthurville. You get where I come from?
So then now Alkaline is in foreign, you're in yard. What was your next move since were you still saying Vendetta at that time there?
I'm an artist here, man, up till today, yeah, man. I'm an artist, and nothing can change. I'm an artist. Even though people, when them see me, them say, yo, see Vendetta selector there. You get where I come from?
Yeah.
Because it's not like there's a problem there between me and him where we have a fallout, and it's just that, him live a foreign, me there Jamaica, me I do what me need for do, him a do what him a do what he need for do. But I'm an artist same way.
So it was just only location that changed where
Yeah,
he's
just
far in your
location.
yard, but the link is the link.
The link of the link. You get where I come from? The link of the link, man. I'm an artist.
Yeah, for sure.
One of the rough youth in music too.
100%.
And Alkaline a column. Him there for stay. You get where I come from?
He actually he carved his way in this business.
Yeah.
You understand? He has a solid fan base. Even if he doesn't have the hottest songs out right now or all the time, you see his fan base, boss, they love Alkaline.
Can't go around him.
Get a boss.
Can't go around him.
You understand?
I say big respect to Vybz Kartel too. Kartel are the G. And at that with me, because me rate the artist, me got disrespect the artist. They know you never hear me disrespect Vybz Kartel. No time at all. And I will never, because I care me that part Alkaline at the time, and me I say Vendetta. Me never get a bad vibe from Vybz Kartel. Me never nobody never try to disrespect me. Nobody never try to say, boy, they are linked with the enemy. So, me don't need to show Kartel no bad face. And Kartel are the G. But big respect to Vybz
But what you
Kartel.
have to remember, at the end of the day, you're a selector, boss. Yes, you might be linking with these people, but you have so much music in your laptop to play. So you could link with everybody.
All right. People know me read the Vendetta boss, but it's not like me go come a party and me go play be Alkaline. I balance the juggling. And that's why I feel like he never reached to that level there where the body for try disrespect Banka or Ray, because a man just know say, yo, the DJ I give Banka strength and Banka I give the DJ a strength, but at the end of the day, we're going to play the music like how the music for play.
You didn't owe the other thing.
And Alkaline never yet look for me and tell me, say, don't play a Kartel. Because that's impossible. And Kartel never yet even try to send a man to me and say, yo, tell Banka for know him or doing a So, they say it there. Sometimes I know what you do, how you do it,
It's always how you do it.
Yeah, man. Sometimes I know what you do it, how you do it. Because me and you can good. And you and the next man not good. And me deal with the man where you and him not good. And me and you good same way. You get where I come from? So, how you do your thing?
100%.
It's not what you do. It's how you do it.
100%.
You see?
This is where your moment now started to happen. Corona. All right. What was happening for you leading up to Corona, where then now inside of the Corona, you really got your break? What was going on for you leading up to Corona?
Honestly to God, I'm not going to tell a lie. Before the Corona, things are going same way. Because me tell you, say, me I get 1 and 2 fly them same way. And me I get 1 and 2 main events. You know what I mean? Because them time they know me and Ramesh good. And Ramesh, she say, yo, boy, Banka bad, you know. So Ramesh, she give me 1 and 2 corporate show them, and when I go do my corporate show them, you know, me I go on good and things. So it's not like say me that suffer.
Not suffer, but it didn't really turn on that time there to the full 100
no,
yet. You know what I mean? It was, you were getting there, but you didn't get there yet.
What happened now? The people them who never believe in a banker we used to say, oh, my Corona selector, wait until Corona done. We're gonna see if him still a guy rain or he might get dead out by Corona for done. And them see Corona done. And we are the man same way. So right now them have to just accept it. Because Dream Weekend them start linking now, some fest them start linking now, the whole of the big
shows, yeah, man.
Start linking. And when them link with, and them are put against the body setter selector them. And when them put against the body setter selector them, when them having a for them brains, say them selector the body setter selector them, we are going to do the show with them selector them, when them believe in her, and a problem.
Right there.
Problem.
But even before, because that's after Corona, I'm talking about inside of Corona now. How did you really catch fire inside of Corona?
As me say, you know, talent can't hide, you know. And once you're talented, people are going to see it. So as me say, we still that do it, and we still get 1 and 2 dates them. You know what I mean? We still do what we need to do. Because we are bad selector. We still need, we are do what we need to do, and we are do it the real way. We are do it the professional way. You get where I come from. It's just that me change mixer because me is really a MC. You know what I mean? So you find out, say, oh, when I go to boom now and, you know, build the sound now, because I have a general affair named Boxer George, we believe in me.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And him look at me and say to me, say, you see for your loyalty, I go build back a sound gear, you know. Man say, just make a man out of this. I build a sound gear. So him goes to boom and him send a sound come give me. So when him send the sound come give me now, I start recruit some youth. Now I start show them, say, oh, listen to me now. This is the way you have to do it. And don't do it that way, do it this way. So you find out, say, oh, we have a whole heap of youth around now. I just a couple of days ago, I send one guy and I must a Guyana. Courtesy, you have Dedical, you have so much on the sound where you have Russian, you have Kenyan, you have some bad youth around me right now where even if Banka, they are foreign, like me they are Canada now, I can send one of them go to one show where I have at Jamaica and have the same energy, the same fame. So we have some youth where we have Curve, we have some youth where we have Groom, we have some youth where you know, say, all right then, when the world say, all right, Banka, enough for you now, one of them youth named Africa. Because we are teach them and we are teach them we are teach them the professional way. And them talented also. You get me?
For sure.
So that's one of the things where we did a build before the Corona, because the sound dropped before Corona. So right now, Corona done and thing. The youth, them, I get them like a highlight, them, they not them can end up feed them family. Them I do what them need to do. Me I do what me need to do. Because me not there for a very long time, you know.
Yeah.
After a while, me just want to focus on the sound. But in order to focus on the sound, you have to have the youth them to play it. Because you can have a big sound, you know, and it just park up, you know, because you don't have the youth to play it. Because you have a whole heap of sound out there will play good. But when you have a youth who can play the sound, and you have a sound where play good, that is a plus.
Remember, you said the sound that you actually picked up and built was an old sound that was put on.
Yeah,
you understand? So then it's now you had the energy, so you just revived the energy back in the song. Because of the talent.
So the sound I have right now is basically a brand new sound. Because I tell you, the old sound, everything they just sell out. Because enough sound, man, they just give up. Because you don't know, when I time even in a Corona, no big sound can't play. A little monitor box, them alone could have play. So you find out, say, sound man give up. Some man start sell out them equipment, them. You know what I mean? So, when I look at my general and I tell him, say, listen to me, no, man, I need back a sound. And when I say, Banka, sound, I say, all right. I send a sound come here. Because my boss live in England. I'm send a container, come give me with sound, stage, lighting, screen, everything.
Everything.
Come tough up my thing now. Man, I say, yo, banker, me I put this in a year and just make a money yourself. And just make some youth can eat out of your hand. You get where me I come from? That's why I know we just groom some youth and know, all right, then we'll create job for youth. You get me?
What was the vibes like in the church during Corona?
All right. It's not a church. It's a community center.
I know, that's why I called it the church.
Yeah, but you know people brand it as a church. It's a community center, but you know you have a little man, I say, him a preach the word. When I go fight against Father God work. You know what I mean? So him keep him like a church in the community center. But remember, the building is for the community. So him couldn't stop the party them from keep inside there. Because it's really a building for the community. But when I go fight against Father God work, we allow him to keep him church in there. Remember now, you know, me living in the community as one of the hot selector them. So you find out, say, if me say, all right, party in my place, the street, I go there on my foot. So I come now, the church become the party scene or the capital. I party because everybody just knows that this how we are going to up. You know what I mean? And then, really and truly, the police them rate me on a level. We know it's illegal, and we know party illegal at the time, but survival are the key. I better I keep some illegal party more than I walk up and down with gun and I rob people for them when I get where I come from.
100%.
So, sometimes we get like a privilege.
Yeah.
If you keep a party them. Sometimes some zero tolerance police are work where him say, not on my dead body, this can't work. But now and then when a police we have a little understanding and know say, yo, any idea food have to eat. Him we say, yo, watch you know? Do anything. You get me? So I say enough respect to the police and we're looking to it more while and allow to do a thing. You get where I come from? Because really and truly, them time they kind of rough. And you have to do what you have to do to survive. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I miss the church.
Yeah.
I see I miss the church.
But that's where a lot of stuff were built.
In our church. Because I remember now, you know, everywhere locked down. And you see people love party. So anyway, the party there, you go find it. Me make millions. So I say millions. Me can't talk this. Me make millions in our church.
In the church. From money pull up.
Money pull up stone dog. Like every week me make over like $1 million.
That's why I know at one time it was two names that they had. They called you Money Pull Up Selector and Corona Selector. But I think you've passed all of that now, because if you had just got your break in Corona and you weren't around before, you might have been stuck in that. But because you were like a veteran from a long time before, is why you overcome all the chopping songs. You're just a chopping selector. You're just a money pull up selector. Because you've been there, but you've been in the game a long time.
Exactly.
So you get it.
Yeah, because them used to say, oh, I be a chopper and play for, I be a chopper song and play. No, what them I say? No, what them I say? Because I play every genre of music. We go in a one party and I say, you know, say a gospel, I feel like I want to start it tonight, or I go reggae music, or only for woman night party, I play some souls, or I go put the juggling of the girl in clitter. So, you don't know where banka I come with. And that me feel like, me like the dice, unpredictable. And that me feel like I keep me up till today. Me not try stuck in a one segment, or a man just knows, all right, then banka go come play, be a chopper song. But at the time, them used to say that. Why them used to say that? Because the chopper them used to make the whole heap of work, them I got the whole heap of money pull up them. So people now go see the good, them only go see that. Them only go see that the whole heap of money we are dash. Them now go see when Banka just start playing and play some nice gospel, or play some nice souls. Them just are the highlight when the money are coming in.
That's the exciting part. So then that's what
And
everybody is going to see all the time. You know what I mean?
Overall. So now them are see now, they say no, the youth really talented. You get me? I mean, I have to big up my mixer, Papi.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I have to big up my co-worker, Papi.
That's why I see
big up
here.
5 Sedway. I have to big up Sidu, Kenyan. Because I tell them I've been through a couple mixer well. Because I'm there for a very long time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
We know that. Tell me about the winning team. Talk to me about the winning team and how you guys put that together and who exactly is in the winning team.
All right. The winning team consists of 3 selectors. Banka, Shukkle, Javy Supreme. You know what I mean? Fast Gear, the mix of them. Wildlife, Papi, you know? But the 3 main man, Shukkle, Javy Supreme, DJ BANKA. All right, what happened is that I don't know Shukkle for a very long time. But it's not who you know the longest or who deal with the realest. Remember now, BANKA is a youth who I play everywhere. So when we go in one circle, and I play one dance among some selector. And I say, yo, the youth are bad, you know. Remember, I don't know him, you know. Because remember Shukkle was baller, you know. Shukkle was a footballer before. But I listen to him and I say, yo, the youth are full of chat. Youth remind me of myself. It was full of argument. But I could have say him lack of something. Maybe him now get the main event them for reach mainstream. Because him just stuck in a one circle. You know what I mean? So one day I said to him, say, youth, you know, say you're bad. I say, enough respect, man. And from this, me and him kind of build a band. You know what I mean? Exchange them, man. We build a band certain way. Corona chippy, you know. Before the party, them I keep in a church, the party, them I keep at Tivoli.
That's his grounds.
That's theme ground, Shukkle bus ground. So, he say, yo, Banka party down at my place tonight, you know. Forward, no? And we go down there and we make all our money. Me never book for the dance, but you don't know a theme ground, you must say, yo, Banka. But half an hour, or but an hour. Because I'm the man on him ground. And we make our money. So till the ball game switch to the church, I'm just grant him back the same favor. Me I say, yo, party there tonight, you know. Right. So at the end of the day, him a give me a strength, me a give him a strength. So and Shukkle getting breakthrough, remember him getting breakthrough on the live, you know. Me I say to him, say, bro, watch you know, you're bad, you know. But when you kind of step out of your circle, little. Each one teach one, each one help one. I say, yo, remember the circle where me have one good circle because at Kingston, because if you there find out, and you call for find out which selector at a yard, somebody got to choose a selector from Kingston.
Generally, that's the first.
I have a bad selector from doing the countryside.
100%.
But the man I got to tell you, oh, at inner Kingston, because Kingston is the city. You get where I come from? So I tell him, say, yo, you need for forwarding in my circle and introduce him to some of the top promoter them. The young rollers, the Nino, the man that keep sons, the, you know? And you know, since him coming to my circle, you know, him talented, so people are going to accept him. See him with Javy Supreme, I go to a film side of the world, and I see him and the selector them ever war. A man I say, yo, your time up. Him for play and a man I want him play upon him sound and be a little. And I say, you with your body, no? Step out of your circle, clang. Forward in my circle. And promoter call me for play one big dancer named The Land. Me I tell him, say, yo, book Javy. I say, Banka, you me call for talk about, we have to book up. I say, bro, me and the youth apart from with that name, bad. I say, here what, me I come at the dance. If him not going good, me will play. That to show you how I want the promoter for book him. You know. Say, man, tell Banka, from you say book him, I go book him. And go some man him book Javy Supreme. Javy Supreme, mash up the party, that's all me feel good. Come here, I say, yeah, me recommend the youth that some to a promoter and the man come mash up the place. To the man mash up the place, me I tell you, say, me feel, deep me up, me just feel good inside. And from this, so, Javy break in the circle. So me I show you, say, yo, you see, Kingston, the moment a selector make him name in a Kingston, you bust. Not saying that you have a whole heap of bad selector in some other circle in our countryside and area, but it's like, for your name start call in a Kingston.
That's the center, that's the city, that's where everything is moving quickly, so then
Just
they're going
like
to
Canada,
catch you first.
The selector them, we play at Toronto. People are going to say, yo, you get me? If you're there at Jamaica, and a man say, yo, name me some bad selector from Canada. A man going to say, yo, Chippy, Fire Kid Steeny. You get where I come from? Someone going to call you, then we do it in a Toronto. But remember, say you have some bad selector do from down at Edmonton, from down at Edmonton.
Montreal, Calgary, all of these places.
But
yes,
the city always get the preference.
Yeah.
You get me?
For sure.
So, right now, bro, it's like when you book none of the winning team, that's history.
Straight shellings.
3 different selector.
Yeah.
Because Shukkle, all right, and you see, that's how I say unity and strength. Because Shukkle make me get for love soul's music. Javy Supreme make me get for love gospel music. Banka is an all-rounder still, you know. But you see, when you make Javy Supreme draft his gospel for you as a selector, he might make you look like them only per song that we just don't play and nothing. So, me learn from Javy, me learn from Shukkle. Shukkle learn from me, Javy learn from me. So, I just unity and strength. So, each way help each other. So, it's a winning team. Because in a winning team, you don't know who are the man. We're not a CEO, we're not a boss, we just know, say, yo, the three we are friend and the three we are win. So we're just a winning team. We are win together.
100%.
Yeah, man.
I know right now a lot of artists, this is a good thing for you to chime in on this. A lot of artists, they're saying that they like to take their music to TikTok and Instagram and these places. They feel that's where it's really giving them the break and busting their songs. So do you think TikTok dictates the culture or the culture dictates what happens on TikTok?
Both. Both. Because one time when an artist would have come out and select a foot and say, yo, bust a song for me, him can just post it on TikTok and it bust by itself. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, you still are going to need the selector. Because if the selector don't play it in the dance, how it going to work? So, both.
You see this thing with like social media, because you could see actual numbers, is where I think a lot of the artists might be taking social media more serious than selectors, because you could say, yeah, man, I busted at a dance, even if there was 1,000 people there. That's cool, you know. But you see, once they pick up their phone and they go on their page and they see, look, 20,000 people view this, 1 million people, they have real numbers. So I think that might be a real issue between artists and selector right now, because they have hard numbers to tell them what's going on. Even though, yeah, you're butt in the street, you know, and dance is nice and party after sweet and all those things there. But I think their real issue is they could see numbers, and that's what it's all about right now.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, you still need the selector, as I'm saying. You still are going to need the selector. You still are going to need the selector. Remember, you still need the music to play on the radio.
100%.
You still need the music to play on the dance. You get where I come from? So, as I say, it's vice versa. And I like one time when you have to link a radio this jockey, you have to link a selector on the street. Because enough song, we know we bust on the internet. And all when the song bust on the internet, you still going to want to come at the dance, come hear it. So you still going to need a selector. So it vice versa.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You've been in a couple of clashes. Right now, there's a clash with Dynamq Fully Bad. What's your take on that clash right there?
You know, I never really pay much attention to it.
What do you mean?
All right. Dynamq are one good artist. Fully Bad are one good artist. Me a Coyote sing one song.
We're going to get there, yeah.
Listen to the Coyote, bad. The Coyote, bad. And why I rate the Coyote, really and truly, I can't take the class song them way. And the same thing the man I talk about every day. I say, oh, you're nyampad and you're gay and you're... Lyrics, use metaphor. That more your argument. So, all the Coyote construct theme song, bad. I'm just listen like about 30 seconds side. But I never really listen to the Dynamq song them. I never listen to the Fully Bad song them. So when I left the interview, I got pay some attention to them.
So what was it about Coyote that caught you? And remember, Dynamq and Fully Bad, they're about 5 songs each. In. All right. And what's so good about their War 2 that we didn't see since probably like the Mavado and Kartel? They weren't on the same rhythm. So especially this is something that you play in the dance back to back.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So then I think it's something that even if you were busy on the road, because I know you just came from Florida, you had your UK tour, you've been all about the place, that's something you should look into, boss. You understand?
Yeah, but right now, honestly to God, you see, one time with the gully guys or something, it's like we can't get back that all now. Not saying that the artist them not good, but it's like if on a cartel I war with somebody, it come like it don't make sense. Honestly, not saying that as me said, Dynamq are bad artists, Fully Bad are bad artists, Coyote are bad artists. But me can tell you this, if it was Mavado and Kartel a war, it would have bigger. People would not listen to it.
But you remember, they think their day built up. That's how they weren't giants first. They built. That's why, okay, Dynamq is the giant, Fully Bad is the one coming up. So then you're creating this synergy that we haven't seen in dancehall in a long time, boss.
Yeah, but me still not feel like it'll get that buzz the way where everybody feel like it should have get.
Okay, so do you think it's something that we're just seeing more on the internet opposed to real life?
All right, look, what were the Brian and Byron and TJ?
That was matter of fact. They didn't really put out no songs like that. They actually did that as a publicity stunt to go actually do a song right now.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, I try to show you, say the people that really gravitate to them type of music than more like that, like back in the days. 2 artists with an hour and the people them just say we're busy with them. They must say, all right, you know, right? Me just feel like for we listen back some clash and some, it have to be a Kartel or a Mavado. Or Kartel or against somebody or Mavado or against somebody. No, that's my opinion.
Yeah.
That's just my opinion. Because I tell you this, if I did defend that Bass and Kartel war right now, more people would not talk about it. It would have more of a buzz. You get where I come from? Or if I did Mavado and Kartel war, it would have more of a buzz, so more people would not talk about it. You get where I come from? But no, at this moment, we don't feel like the people are really into the clash song.
So do you think this is something that's more on the internet opposed to real life then? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, just for the internet. Just for the internet. Honestly. Just for the internet. Me no find it buzzing. Honestly.
Yeah.
Me no find it buzzing. But sometimes like clash is good. Because we hear all lyrical incline a man be.
For sure.
You know what I mean? But we don't feel like the people are really into that war or something.
I have different opinions, but this isn't my interview. This is yours. We're going to keep it moving. But definitely, I think you should look into it a bit more and really understand what's happening right now.
Alright, you know what me I gotta do? Like how you tell me so to do it, I might not do it on the show my book for in Canada. When I reach back at Jamaica, I gotta download all of the song them. And I gotta get somebody to video it, and I gotta play the song them. And I gotta see the reaction of the people.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I gotta video it, and I gotta send it to you.
Okay.
Because remember now, as a selector, if you are juggling on one dance and a juggling on work, what you gotta do? You gotta divert. You gotta go on different juggling. So me, I gotta download the song them, and I gotta say, all right, people, a little beef is there between them two artists, yeah. Wanna tell me who are leading the war so far, and I gotta play the song them, how them supposed to play it. And me can bet you, say it now gonna get that effect the way we really want to see. I tell you,
Yeah.
people are gonna just listening and maybe one and two might say, all right, that one is bad, that song is bad, but and like one time when Muvard and Kartel are war, and when you drop a Muvard, the place are mashed down, and you drop a Kartel and the place are mashed down. And I like that no more.
It's a different vibe.
It's a different vibe now.
What's your take on the state of music right now? Because I know for a long time we've been in the trap dancehall, but once drift broke and big bounce rhythm broke, you could see that right there signaled the change of where music could be going. Because it brought back juggling, it brought back dancing.
It changed. All right. You had an interview, but me going to ask you a question. Which chopper song right now a trend? The chopper song really a trend right now. So you find out, say, the music, they back happy time, fun. Right now, I'm also dancing. The music reach back a dancing because you notice Rebel come out to that little dance move them and you know, the whole TikTok vibe. I remember now, you know, the quickest way for bust a song right now, you know. Sing a song, build a dance routine for you, and it bust quicker than anything.
Put a challenge on,
right,
you're good to go.
And that's the music there right now. But me tell you, I always tell the people, say there's a time and a place, everything of its season. Everything of its season. You have a time when chopper music, you have a time when some girl song come out with hot. You have a time when some Afrobeat come out, and the Afrobeat them run the place. You have a time when reggae music I go on with something. So everything of its time, bro. So yes, when time you get your time, you just make a while the sunshine. And just make use of your time when you get your run. Just like me, Banka name a call. Banka at the man at the moment. Me, I set some foundation. Me, I do what me need for do. Because I know I'm not going to there forever. You know what I mean? So right now, the music has changed. The music has changed to that like a dance something there. Say, you find out, say, Ding Dang just released one song there. We say, everything a rebel. And it a go on. I tell you, say, I got this shoot about 4 days ago. Go Vice, one ads for Rebel Party, which is the 24th of the month at National Stadium. And Ding Dang did make me listen to that song when me there to shoot them. I say, Banka, I say, yo, Ding, that song you bad, you know? And see them just release it with a dance move to it. And it's a trend.
Yeah.
So you find out, say, this is the music there right now. So you find out, say, Ding Dang, I go get some only for it right now. Maybe Ching Ching might get back at it right now because at them, are the artists them we really are sing the dancing song. Them remember Lali going to get back on another hit right now. So you find out, say, the music has changed. That's just a time, that's a season.
But we're back into the dancing, the vibes, the juggling. You know what I mean? Juggling rhythm and all of them things.
With the Appear single I release, Big Bunks, Rummy Shredim, one nice juggling too. So everything does a come back to now. As I say, everything of its season. So what do we do when the youth them do the chop song, them the chop dance all but I burn them out. I just feed them time. See that change back then now. I just say, everybody have them time.
It's part of the deal. It's part of dancehall and the evolution where things always change. But I think with the trap dancehall, what had happened was the change was so drastic that it didn't have any elements of old dancehall remnants in it, besides the artist DJing on it. It sounded like straight hip-hop. There was no dancehall feel to it. And I think that's what a lot of the people were really confused about and really didn't like, because it didn't have an element.
The whole chop dancehall, to be honest, when it come out, it's like the people don't want to hear nothing more. Or even some of the artists them too now do it. Get so annoyed by it. Because they must say, yo, this and a dancehall. But as when me say everything at the season, it's like when the chopper them get for them time, a moment, it's just that everybody did want to hear at the moment. So even if you did sing one song where I say, yo, praise ye Jah, blessed it, nobody know want to hear that.
Yeah.
A man want to hear choppy line and buy a mark cakes and you get where me I come from? At that, the people them want to hear at the moment, at that time. So now, it take time and change, as I say. And the music reach back fun.
Yeah.
Dancing. When we want the artists them for the know, I just release some only girl song now, because from with the girl them with that ball. I said them nah get the dash out segment and them nah get the this and that. But what happened is that every girl a dolly right now. One time when they day in one dance, I see one girl I go up on her head and she go up on the sound box and you know see them something there.
That was a daggering phase, and then remember, there was no daggering. The daggering phase came in.
Remember daggering they get at when they did up a band daggering, you know.
Of course.
You forget?
Of course.
So as me say it come back down to everything of its season. It come down back to everything of its season.
100%.
Just this is the thing there.
I got two questions before I get you out of here. This one here is a bit more serious, and this is just straight to the point. How are you and Boom Boom?
Me not go sugarcoat nothing. Me not have nothing against Boom Boom, but I feel like him have something against me.
Why you say that?
Because of the energy I get from him. You know what I mean? I'm going to tell you, this show is not about Boom Boom, but the truth is the truth. You know what I mean? Boom Boom used to be a good friend of mine. But since I get my breakthrough, I notice I kind of get some negative energy from him. And I just hold my own, stay in my lane. You know what I mean? But me personally, not have nothing against him, but I feel like him have something against me.
Sometimes when idols become rivals.
Yeah, too. Because him did an interview the other day and me hear say, the selector them want him to retire. Why we would I want you to retire? Why would I want you to retire? Like, seriously. Come on, man. It's not every selector like for the on a show with bad selector, you know, because you're on a show with a bad selector, you tell yourself, say, yo, I wonder if that man I can take the dance over me and You know what I mean? That's me say. Me personally, I have nothing against him. A selector where me and him used to be this friend. Boom Boom mother living in my community. Boom Boom brother I'm born and grow. Boom Boom used to put me on some show to like when him the day in our country. But I don't know, from me get that breakthrough here, I just low negative energy. You see me? But I hope one day I'm looking at himself still. And he say, yo, he might fight a losing battle because Banka, there's no turning back. Banka unstoppable.
You now traveling and looking around the world, you've been England, you did your England tour and all this stuff. Doesn't it make sense to you now that, listen, there's no one sound, selector, artist, or anything that could run this business, boss? There's too many places to go in this world.
Exactly.
You need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 people around the business to keep doing their thing. Boss.
The kid, big. Even some of my selector them some of my selector friend them at Jamaica, me tell them, say, yo, brother, it's when you start travel, it's a different mindset. You don't even have prefer around Jamaica. Because Jamaica too small. Me tell them, say, when you start travel, you don't want to run Jamaica. You want to travel the world. Because there's so much out there to experience. There's so much to know. You know what I mean?
For sure.
So, bro, the kid big, bro. The world big, brother. You alone can't do it, brother. So hold on now. When you gonna fire now, who are gonna up on the ground for do it?
You understand?
That's why I tell you earlier, I said, recruit some selector for my son and I groom them. I have a selector right now named Curtis, him bad. You have one named Daddy call him bad. You have one named Russian, him bad so tail. But you see Curtis, When you listen to Courtesy, at the living banker you hear.
Yeah.
Courtesy at the living banker.
Gonna look out for him.
People
100%.
ever say to me, I say, yo, banker, why you tell him Courtesy? Yeah. Sometimes I'm tell him, say, yeah, man, I'm a dog, man, him play my son. They must say, yo, must, because I the same way how you Shelly dance and the thing them way you say. Right? But I'm a G, man.
Yeah. 2024 is coming up. What are you going to be doing in a 2024 side?
All right, 2024, I tell myself, so I want to go some place where I never yet got. Africa. You get me? I want to go some place. I want to go some weird place, some far out place. I want to go some place where I just, more than me other juggler, just white people alone me I see. Because, as I say, sky is the limit. You know what I mean? More raise the bar away when me can say, all right then. You know, I feel like I want to go in more clashes.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because that's something I really like. You know what I mean? And that's why Banka outstanding. Because you have some selector who say them body, you can't get them for clash. Me willing for clash, me willing for juggle. Me ready. Anything you put to the table, I'm ready. Ready like Freddy. Get
2024.
Ready.
Banka, we're sitting down in the studio in Toronto.
Yeah.
All right? You're up here for a crazy dance coming up tonight. All right? Elite Class. All right? Saturday, November 18th, inside 4611 Steeles Avenue West. You've been here 3-4 times already, all right? What could Toronto expect from Banka? What are you bringing to the table that's different tomorrow night?
My game plan, I can't say it, I just give the people them a Jamaica vibe. Because remember now, when a promoter book you, him book you for where him see. So I'm not going to come here and go and like say more adapt. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands in the air. Me I give them the raw band banker because this the promoter them book me for. You know what I mean? And me can't come here come juggle like the rest of DJs them who live here. Because it's a reason why the promoter them book me. Them book me for my vibe. So me I go come give the people them the vibe with me capable of. Me not go come go and like say true me there. I remember it's not like say me new to the city. Me know all the people in party over here. So I just gotta give the people them a different vibe. I just gotta try play different from everybody else because, as I say, me flying for the event, I have to just give the people them a different vibe. Because if me not give the people them a different vibe, it could come like the promoter them waste them money.
Yeah.
And me rate the promoter them so far because all them deal with them thing. And me's a youth once a promoter book me, I watch how promoters deal with people. I reach at the airport, I never have to wait. Them there wait for me. You know what I mean? As them pick me up, them say, Banka, what you want to eat? So, them professional. So, I have to rate the youth them so far. You get where I come from? So, I have to give them money's worth.
100% agree, and definitely got to big up Mark and the whole Red Star entertainment team because, listen, it was one phone call that has you sitting in this chair right here. You understand? Called them, they said, okay, Bob, they'll put it together, and here you are right now, you know what I mean? So tomorrow, Elite Class.
Yeah, today, remember you still as a tomorrow.
Okay, you know what?
Tonight.
You got me. Tonight, Elite Class.
Elite Class.
You know what
ladies, I put the juggling pound a clit. I put the juggling pound a clit. I just want to come have a wonderful time because Banka from Jamaica in the place. And you know it got the vibe I got different. Big up the rest of selector friend them on the show. Fire Kids Teeny, you know I'm a brother. Chip Dan, you know I'm a G and the rest of selector them. We just have a wonderful night. We're going to make the people them enjoy themselves because you know this is something is a year to year something. We're going to make everybody who come at the party tonight want to come next year again. Because the vibe I got just right.
Yeah.
The energy I got just up.
And I'm pretty sure you have some new argument for the Toronto ladies in particular.
We have a whole heap of argument. We have a whole heap of argument. That's why I say ladies want to come out and come check it out live, Banka live in action. We want to forward out. Because when me there party, I see a whole heap of woman, you know. When I see a whole heap of woman, it's like it turn me on. You get me? So ladies, I want to turn me on. Because me I come rest the juggling pound a clit.
Listen, I don't know how you came up with that argument in particular, boss. But listen, when I first heard you say that, I said, yo, this man's a madman. But I understand.
Man, we stick you up in that party, man. I have some whole heap of question when I ask the man where. If you don't know what you do, man. I have a whole heap of question. Banka is just a selector with whole heap of argument.
Drop a question for them before I get you out of here.
If you should lose one out of your mother or your penis, which one did I rather dead?
Okay. So that's the question you're leaving for them, right? It's not for me, you know.
Question. Remember, I can't ask everybody because you have money to watch.
So Banka's leaving. He's leaving this for the man them watching the show, Banka.
Yeah, all right, for the man them watching the show. If you should lose one out of your mother or your penis, which one you'd rather dead?
How do you even come up with a question like that in the first place, boss?
Because, as I say, Banka always try to do him thing different. You know what I mean? And sometimes that going to make you stand out as a selector. Because me not come do what everybody else I do. Me want, when me done juggle, and I go home from the party and can say, yo, you hear the argument that the selector asks? Yeah, me want Banka to be the talk of the town. Not saying that me actually compete with the rest of the selectors in my way. But everywhere I go, I always try to leave an impact. You know what I mean? I mean, I have a whole lot more argument.
Well, I know I know this, Banka. I know, as I said, I've seen you around for a long time, but it's now you got the super breaks. I know what you're capable of.
But the argument, I one of the first one when I run it from the other day, you know? But every time I ask a question like this, I never really get a straight answer.
Yeah.
A man ever say, yo, I don't know if you answer that question there. Yo, you have to think about it, you know what I mean? But that's the one I think that I have to stick up a dance. Because sometimes that the dance need, you know, the dance need to stick it up, you know. Because Banka now going to be the selector where I juggle and man I reason with him friend. But once me I juggle, you have to in tune, you have to focus, you have to listen what me I say, you have to look for me.
Yeah.
Me is a commander. You get where me I come from? Me is a youth even ask a question in one dance and me not get enough Blanca. I say, Bossa Blanca, me stop the music.
Yeah.
And ask the question again. Me always try to be a commander.
You're dedicated to your craft.
Yeah, man, me take my work serious.
You left a question for the man them. Before I get you out of here, you need to leave a question for the ladies and the girls.
Left a question for the ladies them. Feel like I want to ask a question in a dance.
Nah, man, you have to listen. Even if you left one tonight, you're so full of argument that you have 40 more to get them tomorrow. So leave us with one. One.
I'm not going to leave them with a question.
Okay.
I'll give them an idea.
Better yet, the floor is yours.
Ladies, if your man cheat on you, don't cheat back on him. Go to the church and blame it on the devil. All right? I'm tired to see man cheat on them woman, and woman are hang themselves, woman are go there, go run up them vagina mileage. No. If your man cheat on you, ladies, don't cheat back on the man. Go to the church and blame it on the devil.
The church in Duane Park?
Any church.
Yeah.
Just go to the church and blame it on the devil.
Banka, leave them with something there. Some info where they could check you out on social media.
Yeah, one word. Selector DJ BANKA Instagram. Selector DJ BANKA Facebook. I'm not on TikTok. I'm not on Snapchat. Which my friend tell me say.
You're not on where you said?
I'm not on TikTok.
Why not?
My friend always tell me say, Banka, a man like you. Yeah, for them on TikTok, but I don't know where I am. Maybe next week I build a TikTok page or a TikTok account. You see me? You think I should have do it?
100%, boss.
All right, I'll fix things. Ladies, I'll fix things and go some TikTok live and everything there. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Banka, listen, I knew the conversation was going to be good. I didn't know it was going to be this good still. You understand?
That is it, man.
Your honesty and your upfront, and you telling me about your journey the only way that you could, I really appreciate, boss, and I know they're going to appreciate it too. You understand?
That is it. So big up the whole of Canada. You see it?
Definitely have to big up Red Star Entertainment for making this happen. You know what I mean? They made it happen 100%.
That is it.
Let me give you an outro and get you out of here, all right?
That is it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
That is it.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.